integral. This is the new lesson for today. The outcomes for today: how to compute the area under the curve using definite integral. Yesterday we discussed how to find the area under the curve using the Riemann sum. Okay, but today we're using the definite integral. Okay, before starting, let me to define the definite integral as you see here in this definition. For any function f defined on a b, the definite integral of f from a to b is integral from a to b of x. This is the sign of integration, equals lim summation of c I delta x, the summation from I equals 1 to r. Okay, whenever the limit exists and is the same for every choice of evaluation point c1, c2, so until cn. When the limit exists, we say that f is integrable on a from a on the interval from a to b. Okay, good. For example, here as you see, this is the shaded area under the curve, area 1. This is area 2. The area 1 above of x-axis, but area 2 under the x-axis. Be careful about this. This is very important point. Here, how to find the total area? Area 1 plus area 2. But I think here area 1 minus area 2 because this is the negative, okay, under the x-axis. Be careful about this. Okay, let's here suppose that f of x more than or equal 0 is positive here from a to b. Okay, this is area 1. But suppose f of x less than 0. This is less than 0 f of x because the curve is under the x-axis as you see in the blue line. Okay, under the x-axis and blue shaded here as you see in the graph. Okay, area 2. This is area 2. The assigned area between the curve, the given curve of the given function and x-axis from a to c, this is equal a1 minus a2. Okay, let's start here. For example, as you see here, compute the integrals a, question a. Question a, as you see here, integral from 0 to 2 x squared minus 2x times dx. This is lower term. This is upper. Yes, upper term. Be careful about this. This is how to find the shaded area. This is equals integration. How to integration? This is, I think, equals x to power 3 over 3 minus 2x squared over 2 from where? From 0 to 2. Then substitute in the upper minus substitute in the lower. Okay, how to substitute here in the upper? This is equals what? This is equals 2 to power 3 over 3 minus, when we cancellation here, 2 with 2, as you see here, minus x squared minus 2 to power 2. This is substitution in upper term minus, then substitution in lower. This is equals 0 to power 3 over 3 minus 0 to power 2. The answer here, as you see, This is equal 8 over 3 minus 4. Okay, here minus 0. The final answer we can say here, this is, I think, we can use calculator here. Okay. What do you think? This is equals, I think we can, this is 1 minus, I think 8 minus 12 over 3. This is equals, I think, minus 4 over 3. That's it. Okay. Just 1 minute to. أستاذ أحمد.
صباح الخير أستاذ خليل.
صباح الخير يا مرحبا.
ألو.
حياك الله أستاذ أحمد يا مرحبا.
كيف الحال عمي الله؟
والله بخير الحمد لله رب العالمين.
أنا بعت لك صورة لما جيت أفتح الجهاز. طبعا فتح معايا النافذة دي تقول لي your organization requires that you change your ban. أجي أكتب على الجهاز وأدخل حتى رموز جديدة ولا أي حاجة مش قابل. ده إيه سببه؟
يعني بطلب منك تغيير الباسورد؟
اللي هو الدخول بان BIN.
على الجهاز
على الجهاز بتاع المدرسة أول ما أجي أكتب مش راضي يقبل خالص لا رموز ولا أي شيء خالص يعني تظل عملت له ريستارت برضه نفس الشيء يعني مش عارف عندنا ده بس ولا إيه ممكن شغال امبارح يعني لغاية الساعة 12 بالليل.
طيب حاول انك ما في شيء اضغط الت كنترول ديليت في بيفتح لك ممكن الدخول برقم بحساب مختلف اضغط هيك
الت كنترول ديليت. لا واقف زي ما هو
ما رضي.
لا ما رضي.
طيب
هو ما رضيش عارف لو يكتب حتى على المربع الابيض ده
حسابك هو بيظهر اسمك ولا ما بيظهر؟
اسمي احمد الوفاء امام. بعد كده تشينج انا بعت لك الصوره تشينج يور ورك بان يور اورجانيزيشن يور
معناتها لازم تغير الباسورد.
لكن مش حتى البتاع ده مش قابل اللي يكتب. واقف خلاص مش قابل. اطفيه طيب وافتحه من اول جديد واشوف.
طيب
لكن هي ملهاش حل ثاني.
لا لازم تغير التشينج باسورد.
الله خير.
حياك
حتى لو نفس النظام.
اعتقد نفس الشيء. نعم
ماشي على خير.
حياك الله استاذ يا مرحبا.
الله يبارك.
سلام.
حياك. شكرا.
حياك الله. Okay, sorry. Okay, here as you see, this is the answer. Okay, this is compute integral. Be careful about this. The question B, what do you think? Did you understand this? Any question about this? Hello?
استاذ
Everything is
استاذ
clear?
كيف من وين جبت الثلاثة استاذ؟
Where? Here?
هي في اللون الأزرق.
Yes, this is integration. How to integrate the power plus 1, then divided the new power. Yes? Did you remember that?
Yes, okay.
Okay. Here the power 1 plus 1, 2 over 2. This is a plus 1, 3 over 3. That's it. Okay, question B. Question B, in the same way, integral from 0 to 3 x squared minus 2x dx. Okay, what do you think about this integral? This is equals also in the same way x to power 3 over 3 minus 2x squared over 2 from 0 to 3. Then substitute in the upper minus the substitution in the lower. Okay, as you see here, this is 3 to power 3 over 3 minus, because here we can do cancellation. In the same way, this is, as you see here, this is equals x squared. This is x squared 3 squared. This is the first substitution in the upper minus, okay, 0, because 0 to power 3 over 3 minus 0 squared. This is 0. Okay, that's it. This is equal to 27 over 3 minus 9. Okay, in the same way, we can use calculator or find like this. 27 minus 3 times 9, 27 also.
27, 0.
Over 3, this is equal 0. Okay, what do you think in this? This is the problem here. The definition, the integration equals 0. To see that what happens in this equation, you should be careful about this. This is from 0 to 2, where I think this is, sorry. This is the integration. As you see here, what happened? This is the graph. The area here, we cannot take the integral from 0 to 3 directly, because you should divide the integration into two integration from 0 to 2, then from 2 to 3. Okay, from here to here, this is step 1, step 2, from 2 to 3, because this is under the x-axis. Okay, this is area 1, this is area 2. For area 1, we can write area 1 equals negative integral y, because this is the under axis. This is because the area 1 is under axis, x-axis, as you see here. This is the negative integral from 0 to 2. Okay, x squared minus 2x. This is, I think, this is the answer, equals, I think this is from 0 to 2, negative 4 over 3. This is equal positive, because the area is always positive, not negative. We can, but the integration maybe is negative or positive, no problem. But the area, you should always positive. Here, the integration negative 4 over 3, no problem, because this is integration. But if we need to calculate the area, you should be positive. Yes, it should be positive here. This is the area under the x-axis. We multiply by negative y, because the area is under x-axis. Be careful, the function here is negative under x-axis, according the theorem in the beginning of the lesson. Here, as you see, this is area 2 times negative y, negative, because this is the under x-axis. Be careful about this. Is big.
Assalamu alaikum.
It's very important point. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Step 2, how to find the second area, area 2, from 2 to 3. from 2 to 3. Okay, the same. The one here, don't forget dx. Okay, the same x here. The function above x-axis is positive. We can write negative x squared minus 2x dx. We can find this is equals x to power 3 over 3 minus x squared. Why? X squared, because x squared 2x squared over 2, we can cancellation 2 by 2 to get it from 2 to 3. This is equals, I think 3 to power 3 over 3 minus 3 squared. Also here minus 2 to power 3 over 3 minus 2 squared. We substitute in the upper and lower. Be careful. This is the upper. Replace each x by 3 in the first time of the first step. In the second step, minus. Here, replace each x by 2. 2 over 3 minus 2. We can find this is I think equals 27 over 3 minus 9. Okay. Minus here 8 over 3 minus 4. Okay. I think here, as you see here, this is equals 0, because this is equals 27 minus 27 over 3. This is 0. This is the first. Minus here, I think this is 1. Okay. 8 minus 12 over 3. The answer here, this is 0 minus 4 over. The final answer equals 4 over 3 is positive. We cannot say this is A2. Okay, good, excellent. The total area A equals A1 plus A2. Everything is ready. 4 over 3 plus 4 over 3. The final answer is 8 over 3. This is the total area, is a total area. Okay, did you understand this? Hello?
يس بس استاذ شو اسمه لازم اذا كانت ماينس نحولها موجب صح؟
Yes, but not like this. If it is minus, to change positive. No, you should be careful of the area under the x-axis. You should, as you see here, this is the area under x-axis. You should multiply by negative the integration. This is area under x-axis. I multiply it by negative. Okay, then the area is positive. Okay, did you understand this?
اوكي والابر استاذ الاريا اللي فوق عادي اخليها نفس ما هي.
Yes, don't change the terms of integration upper and lowers. Yes, good. Okay, let's move to the next question. Here, as you see in this theorem, I will show you. This is the properties of the definite integral. This is in this theorem. In this theorem, as you see here in the picture here, if f and g, and g are integrable on the interval from a to b, then the following are true. I, for any constant c and d, integral from a to b, c times f of x plus d times j of x dx, the c goes out. The c goes out of the sign. Also the d goes out. Okay, and this is distribute for the first and the second in function. As you see here, this is c go out of the sign of the integration. C times integral from a to b of x dx plus d goes outside of the sign of integration. F integral from a to b j of x dx. Everything is ready now. This is very important point. How to use properties of definite integral to solve many exercises later. In the second here, for any c in the interval from a to b, the integration, maybe you can divide the integral into many integrals or into two integrals, as you see from a to c, then from c to b, as you see from a to c, because c inside, yani this is IC, this is A here, this is B here, but C maybe C here, maybe C here. Be careful about this, not in the middle, maybe here or there, or any point between A and B. This is the integral. I can write integral from A to B of x dx equals integral from a to c, from a to c of x dx plus from c to b, from c to b of x dx. We divided the whole integral into two integrals, integral 1 and integral 2, from a to c, from c to b. Okay, let me give you example about this situation. For example, as you see in this example, I will show you how to use this example 4 in your book. This is okay. This example. Okay, how to evaluate integration from 0 to 3 of x dx, where f of x is defined by f of x equals 2x if x less than or equal to equals 1 if x more than 2. Let me show you the graph to make the question more clear for each student, okay, to understand the question. As you see, this is, yes, this is the graph. Okay. The question here, evaluate integration from 0 to 3. From 0 to 3. I can go from 0 to 3 directly, as you see. I can go. We cannot, because piecewise function, two branches. Branches 1 from 0 to 2, branches 2 from 2 to 4. Okay, how to find the integration? I can write here integration from 0 to 3 of x equals what? Dx equals integration from 0 to 2 of x dx plus from 2 to 4. Yes, no, I don't need to 4 because that's the integration from 0 to 3, from 2 to 3. Be careful about this. From here to here, then from 2 to 3. This is from 0 to 3 directly. We cannot do integration from 0 to 3 directly. Step 1 from 0 to 2, then from 2 to 3, as you see in the graph of x dx. Yes, Good. Okay, this is equals. Okay, you should select which function I can use from 0 to 2. This is because this is 2 branches. This is 2 separate between the branch 1 and the branch left and right. Left and right, as you see here. This is less than, this is the branch. Less than or equal x equal less than or equal to. Which equation here for this branch? 2x. But more than 2 equals 1. The function equals 1. Substitute from 0 to 2 in the branch 1 left branch. From 0 to 2, okay, 2x dx plus. From 2 to 3, more than 2, the branch right. What is the equation for branch right or right branch? Equals 1 times dx. That's it. Now it's easy to solve the question. Everything is clear now. We can integration 2x squared over 2 from 0 to 2 plus also this is integration 1. What is the integration 1? Who can tell me what is the integration 1? Hmm?
2.
Integration 1, just x. 1 times x. Okay, from 2 to 3. The answer here, this is, we cancellation here, as you see, 2, 2. The answer here, this is equals x squared from 0 to 2 plus x from 2 to 3. Okay, good. Then substitute in the upper. This is 2 to power 2 minus 0 to power 2. This is the first. Plus, this is here 3, replace x by 3 minus, replace x by 2. Okay, this is the second. This is equals 4 plus 1. The final answer, I think, equals 5. This is the area under the curve of the integration from 0 to 3. From 0 to 3. From 0 to 3, I shaded the area here, as you see. I will shade the area here. I think, okay. This is the first step. Okay. This is the area here. The second, I think, this is the second from, yes, from 2, yes, from 2 to 3, as you see. Did you understand this? This is, I think, we can also find the area in the second way, the second method. How? This is a triangle, right? This is triangle. This is a triangle, right angled triangle. Okay, this is right triangle. This is square. This is what? Square. Okay. What the area of a triangle? Area 1. This is area 1. This is area 2. Area 1, this is equal. What the formula to find the area of a triangle? Half base times h. Okay, half what? What the base here? From 0 to 2. The base 2. What the height? This is height.
4.
4 times 4. Okay, good. This is equals 8. This is equal 4 because we can cancellation 2 with 2. The answer 4. This is area 1. Area 2 square. area to this. What the formula for the square? Length times, but the width equals length because all the sides of the square are equal. Length times length. Okay, this is equals from 2 to 3, 1 times 1. This is equals 1. This is the area of the square. The total area equals area 1 plus area 2, then substitute. This is equals 4 plus 1. The final answer equals 5. The same answer in 2 methods. Okay, the same answer. Here 5, also here 5. Be careful. Did you understand this? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, good. I will give you now example for you to try by yourself to solve. Example is similar for this example, okay? I will give you from your book example for training you. Yes. Just give me. Okay. Okay, no problem. I will give you example from the exercises from the book. Your book here, I think without graphs, no problem. Just give me 1 minute. Yes. Okay. In this example, as you see here, just determine if, okay. This example, okay, an exercise from 45 to 48. Use the graph to determine whether integral from 0 to 2, f of x dx is positive or negative. What do you think?
From 0 to 1 negative?
Yes. From 0 to 1 here, negative. from 1 to 2
positive.
here is an positive. That's it. The question here just determine whether the function is then here I think from 0 to 1 of x dx is negative. Why? And integral from 1 to 2 of x dx is positive. Why? Why? Who can tell me why? Here is negative, but they're positive. Here negative, here they're positive. What do you think?
Under interval x and upper interval x?
No, because the graph, look here, the graph under x-axis, the function here negative. Of x is negative, less than or equal 0. Okay, but in this, from here to here, the function above of x-axis, the function is positive. Did you understand this? Okay. Look to the x-axis. Where is the graph? Under or above? If under, negative. Is above, positive. This is the rule. Did you understand this, Shabab?
Yes.
Okay, I will give you another example in the same. Here, as you see, in this example, okay. This example, another example here. Where is the integration is positive? Where is the integration is negative?
From 0 to 1.5 positive, from 1.5
Yes.
to 2 negative.
Excellent, well done. Is then from 0 here to here, is an integration from 0 to 1.5 of x dx more than positive, more than 0. But, and integration from 1.5 to 2 of x more than 0. Exactly, that's it. Okay, let's give you another example. Okay, move to the next idea for the lesson today. The next idea for the lesson today, integral mean value theorem. I think here compute the average value of the function. The average value of the function where? Okay. Yes. This is the formula to find the average value of the function as you see here. This is f average. F average, as you see in this formula, how to find the f average. F average lim 1 over p minus a, summation from 1 to r of xi delta x. The final formula here, I think, from 1 over p minus a integral from ab of x. This is v average. V average equals 1 p minus a integration from a to b of x dx. This is the formula you should keep in your mind to use it in solving the next example. For example, as you see here, how to find this is compute the average value. Okay. Okay. This example, Salim, better read the question.
Compute the average value of f of x equal sin x on the interval from 0 to
pi.
to pi.
Excellent. Okay, this is the formula. We can write V average equals 1 over P minus A integration from A to P of x dx. This is the formula. Equal what the substitute here. This is A, this is B. Okay, 1 over pi minus 0. Integration from 0 to pi. Okay, f of x, this is f of x sine x. This is pi. Okay, sine x dx. Everything is ready now. This is 1 over pi, because pi minus 0 equals pi, from 0 to pi sine x dx. What the integration sine x? Who can tell me what is the integration sine x? What the integration sine x?
Cosine?
Negative cosine. Be careful about this. Okay, negative cosine. This is equals 1 over pi. This is negative cosine x from 0 to pi. Then substitute in the upper minus lower. This is equals 1 over pi. Okay, negative cosine pi. Okay, minus cosine 0. Okay. Let me show you the final answer here. 1 over pi. Cosine pi, what the answer? Cosine pi. Negative 1, yes. Negative 1 minus here positive minus positive cosine is 0, 1. Okay, that's it. This is equal. This is equals 1 over pi 1 plus 1. This is equal 2 over pi. This is the final answer. Maybe check using calculator to find this. Maybe you can check your answer by using calculator. This is 1 over pi. Okay, integral from, this is sine x from 0 to pi. The answer, this is equal, you should 0.63. Okay, the same answer if you divided 2 over pi. This is equals 0.63. The same answer. 0.63. The same answer, yes. Isn't our work is right? Any question about the lesson? About this idea? Everything is ready? Okay. Everything is clear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let me give you example for you. The last example for you from the exercise. Find, okay, yes, compute the average value of the function. This is for you. I'll give you some time to achieve this task. Okay, we have 2 questions here to find the F average. Okay. 5 minutes. All of you should work. Okay, what happened? هنشوف متى تنتهي الحصة. باقي 5 دقائق. Okay. Who solved the question? Who is solving the question? Okay. Okay, here V average. F average equals 1 B minus A integral from A to B of x dx. This is the formula. How many students solved this question? How many students solved this question? Let me know. Salim. Hello.
هلا أستاذ.
Did you solve this question?
لا قاعد نستعمل.
Why? It's easy. This is A, this is B. This is equals 1 minus 4 minus 0, integral from 0 to 4. Okay, 2x plus 1 dx. Everything is ready. This is equals 1 over 4. Integral from 0 to this is equals 2x squared over 2 plus x. Okay, from 0 to 4. We cancellation here, as you see, cancellation to 2. This is, I think, equals 1 over 4. Then substitute in the upper. This is 4 squared plus 4. Okay, minus 0 squared plus 0. 0, this is equals, I think 16 plus 4, 20. 20, okay, 16 plus 20 over 4. This is equals 20 over 4. The final answer equals 5. It's easy. Also here, as you see, the time finish. Okay, also f average equals 1 over b minus a integral from a to b of x dx. In the same way, this is a, this is b. 1
over 1.
Yes, from 0 to 1. Yes, the x squared plus 2x dx. This is 1 over 1, يعني 1, okay. Integration, what the integral from here? X to power 3 plus the power, then divided the new power, plus 2x squared divided by 2. Okay, from 0 to 1. Just substitute here in the upper, 1 over 3 plus 1, because here cancellation, as you see here, 2 with 2. Okay, this is the upper, substituted in the upper. Okay, minus 0 over 3 plus 0. This is 0. Okay, final answer 1 over 3 plus 1. This is equals 4 over 3. That's it. It's easy. Okay, that's enough for today. Any question about the lesson today? Did you understand the lesson? Definite integral, how to find the definite integral, how to find the area under the curve. If the area under the x-axis, you should multiply by negative because the function is negative, because the function is under x-axis. If the function above x-axis, that means the function is positive. Be careful about this. Maybe needed to divide the integral to many integration. If the area sum of areas or above and under. Okay, we cannot find the area directly from 0 to 1 or to 3. You should divide the integration from 0 to 2, from 0 to 3, like this, for example. Okay, any question? Thank you for listening. Thank you for participation. The participation was very weak in the lesson today because some students, I think, maybe sleepy, lazy, and maybe inside the bed, don't move, don't want to share. Any question? Thank you so much. We will see you inshallah tomorrow in the school. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Salam.